Guys, we are back, and also I forgot to say hi. Oh my gosh, I'm just so excited because we are checking out the new horse update, the bird. Like, stand by if you love the birds. I'm not sure what it said, but I hear they're at Fort Pinta Beach. So let's go get one right now. I'm so excited. It's gonna be my first ever color changer. Here they are. They're so cute. We need to get one. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's a cute name. Bumble, Mystery, Hush, Wonder, Winter, Frost. No, we need to go with like Aura. They Splash, Crescent Eagle. Oh my gosh, I don't know. But nah, she doesn't. Let's do. Oh my god, there's so much names. Cold Rainbow. Nah. Let's do Cold Aura. Cool Bird. Cool Bird. Cold Bird. Nah. Cold Breeze. I don't know what that calls. I don't know. See? Sea Angel. Sea Angel. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. I hope I can buy another So let's go check her out right now. We're going to Coco Bangkok. I wonder where she is. I don't. I'm just. Because she is supposed to be color changer. Okay. Mila, easy, Mila, easy. Where is she? There she is. Hi, sweetie. Oh my god. Look at that pattern. What a beauty she is. Hi. She's such a cute girl. Oh my gosh, let's ride her for the first time. Oh, she looks like she's like a tinker, but like a color change. It's gonna be epic. This speechless. I just don't know what to say. Color changed. My horse color changed. Now I have it. as we get closer to town. It's like absolute color. She's so beautiful. We need a Huh? 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 Why? Oh, she's such a sweetie. Wait, did she have blue eyes? She has aura eyes. Oh my god. She's so cute. Let's put some tack on her. I wonder if we can and guys, I also cleaned out my backpack. So she's up so fast as well. Not really that fast. But wow. She's beautiful. Ooh. Look how high her jump is. It's so high. I broke my wrist. Man, that hurts so bad. Oh man. Stable, sure. Sea angel. And say, send it to me. Send it. I'm just right here singing my song, waiting. Cold. Guys, I'm literally crying of happiness. I like kind of happiness. Happiness. I need like blue tack for her. Anything blue. Oh, there's a lot of things blue. All these are gonna eat up my strawberries. Okay, so oldest. Oh man, this oldest to newest. Highest price. Highest price blue. Oh well guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, smash that like button. And we'll see you guys on the next video. Bye guys.